Hello students, welcome to Sort of Sir's classes. Welcome to Sort of Sir's classes. Well, in our today's video, we are going to talk about some questions of ISI MStat examination. So in this video we are going to talk about ISI MStat examination of objective paper, and we are going to solve some of the questions from this paper. So this is a very important video for all of you, and this is a very recent paper because this paper is from 2019 year. So this year's question we are solving. So this is a very important video for all the ISI aspirants, because here in this video you will be getting complete solution of these questions. Complete solution will be provided to you in this video. Yes, we are not giving any tips or any suggestions or anything like that, or any stuff like that. We are giving you complete solution for this video. So this is a very important video for all of you. It's a VVIV, you can say, as I say much often, this is a VVIV. That's very important video. So be ready with your pen and paper in your hands and watch this video till the end. And the first question which we are going to solve is question number 1 from ISI MStat exam. So in this video I will also be giving you some theoretical knowledge if it is required. Suppose in any question something is there whose theory needs to be clear, so I will discuss the theory part first and then we'll move on to the question part. So let's move to the question and find out what is the question. So question number 1 is on your screens now. It is given that let A is equal to AIG be an M into N matrix with all non-zero real entries. So all the entries are non-zero and real. Now let B be obtained from A by replacing A11 by 0. So A11, that is, if these are the matrices, so this one is replaced by 0 and a matrix has been obtained, that is that is B. And it is given that R is the rank of A. So the rank of the matrix A is R. Then what is the set of possible values of the rank of B? So what can be the rank of the matrix B? This we need to find out in this video. So it's a completely theoretical based question and you have to follow some theories. So let me just write down all the points which are required in this question so that you'll be able to find out the solution easy for you. Okay, so let me write down the points first. So first of all, suppose the first row was initially independent of the other rows, but by changing A11 to 0 it was not independent. It was not independent. Finally, this reduces the rank by 1. Similarly, if it wasn't initially independent, but finally became so after converting from A11 to 0, then the rank increases by 1. Rank increases by 1. Finally, if the independence of the first row doesn't change even after the change, this means that the rank remains the same. So what does this imply? This 3-point implies that the rank is r minus 1, r and r plus 1. So we have these options. So option number B is our correct option. The right answer, the right option, you can write here, right option is option number B. This is the right option of this question. So we found we solved this question of ISI MStat paper 2019. Well, now we'll be solving question number 2 as well of this paper, the same paper, ISI MStat, the objective paper. We'll be solving question number 2. So the question is in front of you, and this is a very simple and a very short question. So now see, the length of question is also very important whenever you are reading any question, because it takes time to read the question, because you are not getting any kind of reading time for solving these type of competitive papers. The entire time should be consumed in both reading the question, solving the question, taking the correct option. So if you are getting short questions, then go for it, because short question will save your time. It will save your it will give you more time to do another sums. So this is important. Okay, so the question here is that what is the period of the function gx equal to mod of cos x plus mod of sin x? This thing, simple question, you have to find out the period. So let us do it. So g x plus pi by 2, if we do, it will be cos x plus pi upon 2 plus mod of sin x plus pi upon 2. Okay, now if what is cos x plus pi by 2? That is cos 90 plus theta. What is this? This is sin theta. So it is simply sin x plus cos x. Okay, so sin x plus cos x was our gx. So what equal to gx? So what is the period? Period is nothing but pi by 2. It is as simple as it is. So the period is the correct option for this question is option number A. This is the right option, or you can say this is the correct option is option A. Correct option is option A. So I hope you all understood this video.